Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Diego with the beautiful Karina, my beautiful wife from Venezuela. And we went through the K1 visa process just like you guys are going through this horrible K1 visa process where you have to eventually go to a scary visa interview with the immigration officer at the embassy in whatever country it is you live in. But this video is mainly for sponsors, okay? If you are sponsoring a foreign national to come to the United States on a K1 visa, spousal visa, congratulations, we're happy for you. But don't forget, I would get, as a recommendation, a letter of employment to bring to the embassy interview for your beneficiary, to accompany your bank statements, or your 1040s, tax transcripts, pay stubs, W-2s, 1099s, etc. Get a letter of employment from your boss, unless you are the boss. Okay, let's suppose you have your own company, then you'd print a printout of your company profile, and that would be used instead. But get your boss to write a letter of employment saying how long you've been working with the company, how much money you make a year, what's your position in the company, and any other information. But the main things they want to see in immigration is you're gainfully employed, you've been working there for quite a while, you've got at least probably a year, let's say, more, and your income exceeds way above the minimum income requirements for the embassy interview, and then the green card process, which is 125%. And a family of two needs to make $20,440 for the embassy interview and $25,550 for the green card application. That's the minimum. If you're right on the bare minimum, get a joint sponsor, okay? I recommend you get a letter of employment, go to your HR, your human resources officer, ask your boss, whoever it is that is in charge of the administration part of your company that you work for. Get a letter of employment, have your boss sign it or the HR representative sign it, how much you make, what your job is, your job description, how long you've been working there, on stationery that is generated from the company, okay? So, I'm a real estate agent, so I had my broker print out a letter for me from his brokerage with his address, his name, and that he was he was in charge of the brokerage. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I do a live stream with Karina Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays at 6 p.m. Central Time, US, and then occasionally I'll do a surprise live stream during the week. I'm not an immigration attorney. I don't give you any legal advice. I don't work for the State Department. I don't work for USCIS or anything like that. And good luck with your K1 visa process. And today, Karina had her first driving lesson in a parking lot, and she did great. She did fantastic. I gave her the keys. I sat next to her, and we didn't run over anything. We didn't hit grandma, and it was a great experience for Karina. So she did great today. So give her a well done for her first time driving a car in the United States in a private parking lot, not on the street. So it was on a private land, and she did fantastic. See you at the live stream, ladies and gentlemen. See you at the live stream. And stay patient during this process. Get that letter of employment and include it in your K1 visa package, and get a letter of employment, give it to your beneficiary for the visa interview.
I'll be back.